Hey guys! Welcome back to another video. It's me again, your usual narrator for the DIY projects of this channel. So for today's DIY project, we've created a candle holder from the soda cans we've been piling up, and we've been using them to create these mini planters you guys see in two of the videos of this channel. And we actually created 3 different varieties of planters that you guys can choose from if you guys decided to create one of these planters as well. They are very cute and pretty planters that you can use for small plants like succulents, so I very much recommend to also do one of this DIY if you guys are up for it. Don't worry guys, I will also put a link in the description for the other 2 planters if you guys also want to check them out. So for this video, the materials that were used are 2 soda cans, a red marker, cutter, scissors, super glue, popsicle stick, ruler, pliers, gold spray paint, jute strings, a multi-purpose glue, and 6 mosaic tiles. So this materials is also in the description box below for your convenience. So for the first thing you need to do is create an outline around the can about 3/4 onto it. Then you will use a cutter to create a small hole into the outline of the can to create an entrance for the scissors to do the rest. And we also cleared out any uneven parts of the cutout bottom to make it look more symmetrical. Then, the next thing we did is cut out 1/8 of the bottom part of the second can to create the candle look for the planter. Afterwards, we just used Elasoseal to paste it onto the bottom part of the first cut out bottom can using just the popsicle stick to spread the glue onto it. Now onto the next part, we cut out about 4.5 inches long and 1 inches wide of thin sheet from the leftover of the second can. We cut out 2 pieces since we created 2 handles for the candle holder, folded the thin sheets into 2 and used the pliers to secure each of the fold and flattened out any parts that has been puffed out. We also made some outlines to it so that it will fold easily to the direction that we wanted. Afterwards, we just continued to use the pliers to fold it into a spiral onto the both ends and ended up with this, which is kinda similar to the handles of the regadera. We did this once more so that we can have 2 handles for the can. Then, we just pasted it onto each sides of the can using Elasoseal. Next thing that we did was sprayed it with the gold spray paint that we had used from the previous planters. We didn't use acrylic spray paint for this one, but if you guys want to make yours look shiny, you can use a transparent acrylic spray paint after you've sprayed it with the gold one. Then we just let it dry for about 3 to 4 hours or make it a day to make sure that it is fully dried and that the smell of the chemical will be much less. After it has been dried out, we used Elmers glue to paste the green jute strings into the can, and we just did a similar design like the ones in the previous videos. The only thing a bit different is we also attached jute strings around the mosaic tiles. Take note that if Elmer's glue isn't as sticky to the mosaic tiles, we suggest using a transparent super glue, but always be careful on getting too much onto your hands. And of course, we did this onto the 6 mosaic tiles that we had, and we pasted the mosaic tiles using the multi-purpose Elmer's glue below the can in the form of a diamond. And for the final thing that we did is that we cut out some lines of jute strings and created a connector towards the mosaic tiles on the bottom towards the top, giving the candle holder the final awesome look. So there you have it guys, a DIY candle holder planter that is great for smaller plants like succulent. This is actually the final planter of the series of tin cans we had used, but if you guys like to see more of this kind of DIYs, comment down below on what kind of DIY you guys want to see us do on our next tin can project, and we'll go and check them out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that my narration was okay for you guys, and tell me guys if you would like to see Pachuchay narrate once again or if you guys are fine with me. Like, comment, and subscribe to see more DIY projects like these, and we actually are opening our own shop soon for anyone interested in gardening. We will sell some awesome lamps and pots in the future, so check out our Facebook page and Instagram for the soon to come products. Have a great day everyone, and see you guys in the next video.